Okay, my friends, so here's a little tool for you to use in Excel that allows you to update these things in column C to match whatever the situation you've got is for whatever test you're analyzing. Right now, the numbers that are in column C match what we just did in the first part of this project. I got a sample size of 100,000. It doesn't matter what you set that to because proportionally the cells in this table over here will update. The prevalence rate, I set that at 1% in the project. We're going to leave it like that right now because nobody really knows how prevalent COVID is. False positive rate is 2%. That's because the true negative rate was 98%, if you remember that. And the false negative rate is 5%, which is because the true positive rate is 95%. That's all. This is all we did last time, the last few questions we did up top. Okay, we're going to update this for the home tests. Now, the home tests, we're still going to use the size of the sample, 100,000, the prevalence rate, 1%. Not going to change that. False positive rate, though, has to be the complement of the specificity. So the specificity is 97%, which means I got a 3% false positive rate. So I'm going to change this to 3%. And when you change this to 3%, watch the table at right when I press enter. The right column updated because that's the column that actually deals with the false positive rate. Now, when we change the false negative rate, which is the complement of the true positive or sensitivity, you're going to watch that left column change. So we're going to change this. This is where it gets, I think it's going to get crazy. It changes to 50%, 0.5. There you go. And that's exactly what it should be, right? Because a 50% false negative rate would imply a 50% true positive rate. Meaning, if 1,000 people have COVID, 50% of the time, it's going to say you have COVID. The other 50% of the time, it's going to say you don't. So that's split even 50-50. All right, now that you have the chart set up, you can answer the next few questions. Go get them.